Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to install free memory card boot onto a second memory card. So you must already have a free MCBoot memory card for this. You can get these on eBay or Amazon really cheap, like £5, maybe even less. And so here I've got one right here, just an 8MB one. Now it does have an older version, but I will be showing you guys how to get the latest version onto your brand new memory card which doesn't have anything on it yet. So you will need a PlayStation 2 that supports free memory card boot. You will also need a USB stick. Doesn't have to be large in size. This one's just like 4GB. So the first thing you want to do, go ahead and get your USB stick, go ahead and plug this into your PC, and I will show you guys what to do next. So once you're on your computer and your USB is connected, we will actually need to format it to FAT32. Here's my USB, it's perfect size, it's roughly 4GB, but it's got two things on here already. So when you format a USB stick, it will delete everything on there, so if there's any files you wish to back up, make sure you drag them somewhere on your computer. But anyway, let's just right click, go down to format, let's make sure we select default allocation size, FAT32. Put this at default. Make sure quick format is checked. You can rename this to PS2 just so you remember, and now just click on start. Then just click on OK, and it's going to format your USB and just delete everything on it. So once format is complete, we can click on OK and now click on close. And now what we need to do, so go onto your web browser, and the link will be in the description to PSX Scene. On this page, scroll all the way down, and this is actually for the latest 1.966 free MCBoot. So let's scroll all the way down. You want to click on this link right here. It's going to take you to a new web page. Again, scroll all the way down, go right down to the bottom, and we're looking for the download section. So we need to get this one right here, free MCBoot installer version 1.966. This is the 2019 version, so it's brand new. We're just going to click on this. It's going to open up a media file link, and we can simply just click on the green download button, and that will begin downloading the zip file for us. So let's just give this 10 seconds to download, and then once it is done, we can head over to our downloads folder and find the zip file in there. So let's just do that right now. Let's go to my downloads, and here is the zip file. So what we're going to do, just drag and drop this on the root of our USB, wait for it to copy, go onto our USB. Now we can get it, right click and select extract here. Now this is a 7-zip zip file, so you will need WinRAR or 7-zip to open this, so just keep that in mind. But we're just going to wait for this thing to extract itself. It might take maybe like a couple of minutes, so I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so once it is done, if something isn't showing up, what you want to do is right click and just click refresh, and now it's just going to display everything. We can now just delete the zip file. And that is it. We've literally set up our USB drive, and now we can install this onto pretty much any memory card we want, so we can make backups. So let's disconnect this from our PC, connect it to our PS2, and I will show you guys what to do next. Okay, so once we're back off our computer, the first thing we want to do is just connect our USB. So this just goes in one of the USB ports down here. And now what we're going to do is get both of our memory cards. The one with free MCBoot on already, that will go into slot 1. And then we just get our memory card, which we haven't set up yet, and this will go into slot 2. Now we can just go ahead and power on our PlayStation 2. So when powering up, you will get the free MCBoot boot screen. Just wait for it to power on. It should just take a couple of seconds. And once you're at the menu like this, you will see it has free MCBoot at the top left. So basically what we want to do, you can see right now I'm on version 1.953. This will be updated to 1.966. So what we want to do is scroll down, and we want to find ULaunch ELF. Once you find this, you want to press X just to open it up. On this menu, you want to press the circle on your controller for the file browser. Now once you're in the file browser, scroll down to where it says mass. This will be your USB, and we want to press circle. Once you're on mass, scroll all the way down to where it says fmcbinstaller.elf and press circle. This is going to launch up our free MCBoot program. The first thing we want to do is press R1 a couple of times, press R1 again, and go to the format page. So go up to format MC, that stands for memory card, and press on X. make sure you choose slot 2. If you choose the slot where your main memory card is in, it's just going to delete everything and you'll probably have to buy a new one. So we're going to use slot 2 and just press X for OK. It's then going to say the memory card in slot 2 will be formatted. Press X for yes. Keep in mind this will delete everything on there. Now it's just going to format. Press X for OK. Now just press L1 all the way back to the main menu and we want to press X on install. Now just choose slot 2. Yes. Now we can choose normal, cross region or cross model. This is so you can play it on like different PlayStation 2s. This is so you can use it on different region consoles, or normal if you're going to keep it on the same one and you're not going to swap it about. So we're going to do normal for this one, so press X. Now just wait for it. Just give this maybe like 2 minutes or something. Now it's going to say OK, so we're going to press X for OK and press circle to exit and then OK. So here we go, got both memory cards. The second one will have the free MCBoot apps on. So what we're going to do, we're going to hold the power button, turn our PlayStation 2 off, swap memory cards and then turn it back on. There you go guys, free MCBoot. Let's check out the version. And there it is, version 1.966. So this is now the latest version. We can get stuff for this and everything. And I'll probably make some more videos using the latest version with my PlayStation 2. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.